There is a fungus among us. Here we see that some pine cones off this pine tree are yellow for some unknown reason. Often you'll see these high up in a tree and you'll be like, why is there yellow up there? That's weird. It doesn't fit in. In this case, the branch is fairly close to the ground, and we see in here that there's a pine cone that is totally yellow. And it has a dust on it. It's a yellow dust. And this is not pollen. There's times of the year when the pine trees put off a yellow pollen and everything, but this is a infected pine cone. Now, this doesn't hurt the forest a lot. There's plenty of other pine cones. It's not like it's spreading. It's not like it's dangerous. It's just something weird. But like, look at my hand. My hand is now yellow. And so I wonder, what is it? What is its scientific name? Who has studied it, written their doctorate on it or whatever? And what can I use it for? Can I make a yellow dye? Well, we've tried that, and I forget how that worked out. That was like over 8 years ago. And we're not always as scientific as we should be. But it's really cool. It's very hard. Like, it's like hard as a baseball. Harder. And it'll just dump down on the ground there. But seriously, it's super yellow. And there's nothing else yellow like this around here. And so, is it toxic? Should I try snorting it? I'm not going to try that. I'm an adventurous guy, but I have my limits. Can we collect it? Make something out of it? Now I've got it all over me. Otherwise than that, like this one's putting out new pine cones this year. So this is an old pine cone. This is from last year probably. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple, I guess 4 right here, of these pine cones that are infected with this yellow, I assume it's a fungus. But, not everything's a fungus. There's a lot of, Jesus, stuff does not come off. Oh, now it's on my shirt. God damn it. Anyway, it's a big, really nice pine tree here. Look at how pretty it is. And so I got to figure out what I can use it for, what it is, what's the identification of it. I guess I could ask online, like, what is it that infects a pine cone and makes it yellow? Somebody knows more than I do. It's very cool.